Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Minka Aire fan remote not working, sync, battery and control troubleshooting guide. Fix 1 is replace the remote batteries. Open the battery cover on the back of the remote, then remove the old battery. Install a new battery of the correct type and match the plus and minus symbol. Then close the battery cover. Second one is make sure the fan has power. Check that the wall switch is on, then check your home circuit breaker. Restore power if its breaker has tripped. Then try the remote again. Third one is resync the remote. Turn off the fan's power at the circuit breaker, then wait about 10 to 15 seconds. Then turn the power back on. Within 30 to 60 seconds, press and hold the learn, pair or stop button on the remote for 3 to 10 seconds. Then wait for the fan or light to blink or the fan to move slightly. Fourth one is reset the remote. Turn off power to the fan, then remove the battery from the remote for at least 10 seconds. Then reinstall fresh batteries. Turn the fan power back on, then pair the remote again using the sync producer. Fifth one is move closer to the fan. Stand within 20 to 30 feet of the fan, then remove object that may block the signal. Try the remote again, then keep other wireless devices away if you suspect interference. Thanks for watching.